Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Today we're working on Christmas project number 3. This is a bag and plastic wrap organizer. Travis, one of our employees, brought it to us and asked if we could make one of these for some of his family. So we thought we'd share it with all of you tonight. Let's go ahead and get to work. All right, a couple of parts need to have the edges broken. We chose a 1/4 inch round over here to make sure we had a good, nice edge. Let's go ahead and get those worked over. All right guys, let's get to assembly. We're gonna need some glue, probably not this much, but you're gonna need some Tide Bond. I'm gonna use a little 1.5 inch putty knife, just clean off the excess glue. A little paper towel, go ahead and get that excess cleaned off with the putty knife. And in my case, a little paper I can dump the glue on so I can use it to spread it around with my finger. All right, let's get to assembly. All right guys, we got it glued up and assembled. Piece looks great. Hopefully this gets one more gift off your list this holiday season. Thank you guys for spending your evening with me. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Thanks everybody. See you guys in the next one.